Hello everyone. In my last video, I taught rules of divisibility and I taught you how to know that numbers 2, 3, 4, and 5, how to know that they can divide a particular number, okay? Now in this video, I'll be explaining how to know that 6, 7, and 8 can divide a particular number. All right, let's begin with 6. Now, if its last digit, like if the last digit of that particular number is even, and the sum of it, like the sum of the number, is divisible by 3, then you can conclude. Now, let's take 6042 as an example. 6042. If the last digit is an even, now 2 is an even number, of course, right? 2 is an even number, and the sum of it is divisible by 3. Now let's add up the figures here. We have 642. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 2 is 12. So 12 is divisible by 3, right? So that means 6 can divide 6042. So let's prove that. 6 divide 6 gives 1. 6 divides 0, of course 0. 6 divides 4, impossible, so you write 0. Then you have remaining 4. You add it up to the last digit. 6 divides 42, you have 7. So 6042 is divisible by 6, and the result is 1007. All right. Now, how do you know a number is divided by 7? Okay, this particular 7 is a little bit, kind of unique. Now, let's consider this 231. 231. Now, this is the procedure. You start by multiplying the last digit by 2. The last digit here is 1. So let's have 1 multiplied by 2. We have 2, right? Now, the next step is to subtract 2 from the rest of the number. This is the rest of the number, 23. So 23 minus 2 gives 21. Okay, 21 is divisible by 7, meaning 231 is also divisible by 7. 231, let's prove it, divided by 7. 7 in 23 would give 3, right? Yeah, 3. We have 2 left, that's 21. 7 in 21, you have 3. So that's 31 is divisible by 7. You're going to have 3. Now let me give another example under 7. Now let's say we have 2415. Okay, 2415. 2415. Now let's begin the procedure. The first procedure is to multiply the last digit, which is 5 here, by 2. So 5 multiplying 2 will give 10. Then remove 10 from 21. Okay, removing 10 from 241, rather, I said 21. 241 subtracting 10 will give 231. Now, is 231 divisible by 7? We proved it here. So since 231 is divisible by 7, that means 2415 is divisible by 7. So let's prove that. Okay, let's do that here. 2415 divided by 7. All right. 2 in 24, we're going to have 3. That's 3, right? Remaining 3, so we add the 3 here. 2 in 31, we're going to have 4. Remaining 3, then you add the 3 here. 7 in 35, we're going to have 5. So 345. So that means 7 can divide 2415. And finally, how do you know a number is divisible by 8? If its last 3 digits, like the last 3 digits, forms a number divisible by 8 and it's an even number, the last digit must be an even number, then you say that number is divisible by 8. So let's try 4412, 44512, 512, 44 512. Now, is the last 3 digits forming a number divisible by 8? 512. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So that means this number is divisible by 8. So if you divide it properly, you should have 5564. All right. 5564. All right. So in my next video, I will explain how to know that a number is divisible by 9, 10, and 11. See you in the next video. Bye.